Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing it overnight in my tiny home. And I'm going to be cooking meatballs on my wood stove. And This is a noob. He's sleeping in the tiny home with me.
Oh yeah.
He has a YouTube channel and what are you doing on your YouTube channel?
I don't know. But okay. I have a new YouTube channel. It's called 3D Creations. Go subscribe to that.
Yeah.
I'm hoping to post more regularly. I'm going to be making stuff on my 3D printer.
Yeah, and he's taking apart pallets for me. That's your payment, the subscriber shout-out thing. Okay, go back to work. Today, I plan to finish up the bottom bunk. Got a nice fire going up there. Bubby and a noob over there are collecting firewood.
Heats up pretty quick.
My mom got the meatballs. I got this memory foam mat from my grandparents. It's about 4 inches thick, so it'll be really comfortable. Blooper! We got the meatballs going. Got the bunk almost done. The foam up here is all cut. Should be comfortable. How are those chips?
Good.
So tiny home's pretty much done. We're on the fire tonight. We all have our root beers.
Oh, yeah.
Cheers to a finished tiny home.
Yeah.
How does it taste, Bubby?
Like root beer. Duh.
Oh, no way. I thought it tasted like Sprite. I'm 13 years old and I have my own house.
Here is how you roast a bun.
So now the meatballs are ready and Jonathan's roasting his bun for his meatballs over the fire. It's gonna taste good. So the tiny home's done and now we're hunkering down and gonna sleep for the night. And first I gotta put some eye hooks on so the door doesn't swing open during the night.
Yeah, I know. I want to play now.
Okay, that should be good. Wait. Oh, yeah, okay.
That actually works really well.
I got my supply of firewood under here. Should last through the night.
Oh yeah.
It's just a bunch of pallet boards. What is that? Are you constipated? It's gonna be warm enough without the sleeping bag. That wood stove is so hot.
I agree.
I built this with my own hands.
I can barely see you.
I'm a homeowner.
That's better.
Is that better?
Yeah, that's way better.
Oh, my eyes hurt now. We're doing some gaming here. Playing Smash Bros on the Nintendo Switch.
Oh yeah.
Ta-da!
Wait, can we just do like regular?
Yeah. Look at. Uh-oh, which one should we do?
I don't know, so I'm gonna choose random.
My cat came to join us. Probably can't see him. My little cat came to join us.
He's not.
Where are you
very
going?
cool.
Yeah, I mean he's fat.
I mean he's fat.
He's fat. Hi, Cole. The fire's going nice. I'm getting tired. Wood stoves are really hot.
Too hot.
Yeah, it's been burning for a while. Now I have the window open because it's so hot. It's getting so hot in here, I need to open the door. Unlock my little eye hook thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's dark out. It's
Wicked
spooky. Spooky time.
dark.
So this is where I'm sleeping tonight. My sleeping bag right there. Should be comfortable. And noobs up here. You're so creepy. I will see you in the morning.
It's morning.
Yep. And
We didn't
filming
sleep
still?
for like 5 hours last night.
so I woke up at 2:30 in the morning. And it was really cold.
I woke up too.
It was 35 degrees out. And we were almost out of wood. So I had to go outside and
Chop.
get some more from the wood pile.
Chop wood.
And then I chopped it inside because it was too big for the ashes. And then so I wait. Actually, no. The fire completely went out.
Yeah, it
And
completely
then I had
went
to
out.
get birch bark, and then get little sticks.
I got little sticks for you.
And we couldn't fall asleep till 6:30.
And
But
then
then we slept,
we slept
until
until
9.
9. Oh, yeah.
Which was surprising. And then we did very
Not for
dumb
me.
things between 2:30 and 9. I mean,
We
2:30 and 6.
We quoted Dumb and Dumber.
Yeah, you don't want to know. I'm really struggling to get my sleeping bag in.
Struggle is real.
Yes, it's too real. Okay, I gotta pin it down like that. And then I'm gonna do that. And wrestle it in there. And so, yeah. I don't like how I have to put it in this bag. We should just like a strap we can roll it up with. I'm still struggling here.
He's
Can
still
you give me
struggling.
that bag? Can you give me that? Thanks. So I was really cold last night because I was getting firewood and yeah, my feet were cold. So I stuck it on the wood stove like that. I was like, oh, that feels nice. And then I couldn't feel it very much, so I stuck it on longer. And then my foot hurt so bad. Now I have like a burn mark and it's like all numb on my foot.
That's the burned foot.
Overall, I had a good night of sleep. The wood stove heated the place pretty well. The beds were comfortable. And I had a really good time. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And make sure you like and subscribe. See you next time.